Everyone's talking about PDRN, the so-called DNA repair serum. But what is it? Is it hype? Does it actually work? Does it work topically or only in injected forms? Is it safe for brown skin? Let's find out. So PDRN is a DNA-based compound and it is extracted from either salmon or trout, usually rainbow trout. There is general consensus and agreement on the efficacy of PDRN when it's injected. Well, what does it do when it's injected? It boosts fibroblast activity, it speeds up cellular regeneration, it increases VEGF, those are vascular endothelial growth factors in your skin itself, and it improves microcirculation of all of that. And of most interest to people like me who have an autoinflammatory disease, it decreases inflammatory cytokines. Those are things like IL-6 or TNF-alpha. So all of this makes PDRN really effective for wound healing, for skin regeneration, if you get any type of procedure done like a deep laser, for recovery from that, right? That's well studied and well agreed. And in terms of approvals for injectables, not only do they have the approvals in Korea and some parts of Asia, but also in Italy. The key question though, does topical PDRN work like injectables? There's just so many products hitting the market with PDRN in serums and toners and creams, you name it. So do they work? If you're just applying it to intact skin, then it's not going to penetrate skin at all. It is too large of a molecule to go through your skin barrier. Now, if you're doing something like microneedling, if you have created channels that are at least 0.5 millimeters deep, then it's going to go in and help with wound healing and skin regeneration there. But it's going to act more like a dressing than it is an anti-aging repair serum. Wait, but what about anti-aging? Because that's what it's been related to so much. Well, injected PDRN actually helps with that. It helps with collagen 1 synthesis. It not only increases elasticity in skin, it actually increases dermal density as well. That's something we're looking to do with retinoids over time, right? As you age, your skin gets thinner, and with retinoids, what we're trying to do is actually thicken up that skin layer too. Injected PDRN can do the same. And what that leads to is reduced wrinkles, reduced signs of visible photoaging. Topical PDRN, on the other hand, only helps with barrier repair for peels, lasers, procedures, etc. So, well, are you only doing the microneedling because you want to deliver the PDRN? The only thing the PDRN is doing is treat that microneedling channel that you created. It's not doing anything else. There are absolutely no strong clinical studies that have been done that prove that topical PDRN reverses aging markers in the way that retinoids, lasers, or even peptides do. So your best use for that PDRN serum is recovery support, not anti-aging. What about plant-based PDRN? There seem to be some products on the market that have, like this one, plant-based PDRN. There is no biological duplicate of the animal-based PDRN. Does not exist, don't even bother. Even if you were to inject it, it would not match biologically what the fish-derived PDRN does, how it acts, and how it repairs. Topical, it's giving you hydration at best. So don't get fooled by the label. It can be helpful, but it's no miracle. If you have access to a way that you can inject it, sure. It's not available for injection in the US at this time, but for topical applications, use it because you like to, not because you actually think it's going to reverse aging.